Good day, class. Okay. So, next. Sorry, I forgot to clear the workspace. Then CLC. Okay. Next is exponents. Okay. So, exponents are really easy. New script. Exponents. Score. Exponents. Okay, for exponents, it's very easy. You will use the caret. I think this is the caret sign, right? The script is not appearing yet. Okay, so caret symbol. Caret symbol. Oh, it's caret. Caret symbol. Okay. So shift 6 for the caret. Yeah, caret symbol. A caret symbol is used to create exponents. Okay? So example 5 underscore sorry, raised to 2. Then F5, so 5 times 5 is equals to 25. Okay? If you want larger than square, okay, if you want cube or raised to 5, just change the number, okay, or 3, okay, then run F5. So you can check it to your calculator if 5 raised. So okay, how to use this? I don't know how to use this calculator. Okay, how to raise 5? Let's see. Oh, yes. It's 5 raised. Oh, it's wrong. Then, sorry, I don't know how to use this. Okay, 5 raised to 5. Sorry. So 5 raised to 5 is 3125. Okay. Next. Oh, it's not. Okay, it's not. Let's see. This is exponent. You can cancel this. How to cancel this? Oh, okay, double C. Okay, let's try 5 cube. Okay, 5 cube. Sorry. Yes. 125. Okay. How about negative exponent? 5 raised to let's see, negative 3. Okay, what does 5 raised to the negative 3 means? Okay, 5 raised to negative 3 means is we will make 5, or we will, what you call that in division, we will oh, I forgot the term in division of fractions. You call that your reciprocal. Okay, we will get the reciprocal of 5, so it is 1/5. Then we will bring also the exponent, but it will be positive. Okay, it will become a 1/5 raised to 3. Okay, so 5 raised to negative 3 is the same with 1/5 raised to 3. Okay, so let's see if they are the same. Okay, they are the same. Okay, so that's the meaning of 5 raised to the negative 3. Get the reciprocal of the base, then the exponent will be positive with the reciprocated base. Okay. Then another one. What does if the exponent is a fraction, what does this mean? Okay. What does this exponent? What does 5 raised to 1 over 3 means? Okay, so 5 raised to 1 over 3 means 5 will be okay. 5 will be inside a radical symbol, and 5 will be cube rooted, okay, inside the radical symbol. So if we want to have or to cube root or to have a radical or a square root something, like what you call what other term for root, radical and root. So, okay. To square root it or to make it radical. Sorry, this is the only option. Okay, this is the only option to make a radical expression. Uh, another way to make a radical expression or square root, only square root, okay, is SQRT, okay, for square root of 5, or square root of, let's see, 16. Okay, so let's try F5. So this is cube root of 5 and this is square root of 16. So let's see in our calculator if the cube root of 5 is right. Okay, I don't know how to use this calculator. Oh, we don't have other radical symbol. So let's just use the exponent symbol. Oh, it's the same. 1 divided by 3. Okay. Oh, it's wrong. Oh, sorry. Why it's wrong? 1 divided by 3. How to use this? I don't know how to use this calculator. Can I prove this? 5 raised to 1 over 3. At my monitor, I have my calculator beside me. That the cube root of 5. See, the cube root of 5 is 1.71. Okay, so I don't know how to use this calculator, sorry, but based on my actual scientific calculator, this is right. Okay, this is just for square root. We don't have any choice. Okay, so let's make comments. Okay, exponents. This is a what this is inverse. Okay, inverse. Oh, inverse and reciprocal. Inverse and reciprocal. This is the radical or root. Okay. Am I right? Oh, this is not the radical or root. This is the inverse and reciprocal. Hey, this is the radical and root. Radical or root. This is for square root. Okay. Square root. Okay. Oh, I know how to make an end truth. Now I know. If you want a end truth, okay, use the syntax end truth. So if you want cube root of 5, okay, cube root of 5, but not using the caret symbol, use the end truth. So first type the base, then comma, then the 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 root. Okay, you want to what do you call this? You want to what, or you want to express the radical of 5. Okay? So F5. So 1.71. Okay. If you want to if you want this to be fraction, you can also make this fraction. Okay, let's try to make this fraction. Okay, so sim. Okay, the answer is 1.71. So just put the variable 1.71. Then CLC. Okay. Then F5. Okay, this is the fraction form of the cube root of 5. Okay, it's very long. So, if your answer of fraction is this very long, okay, convert it to decimal. Okay, if you want to prettify this, yes, you can prettify this. Pretty answer. And F5. Okay, this is what it looks like. What it looks like when you make it pretty. Okay. Next. Okay, for scientific notations. Scientific notations. Okay. For scientific notations, you can use the expression. Sorry. Okay, example we have here. Oh, example we have here 4. Okay, you want example is 4 times 10 raised to 5. Okay, you can use this expression as for scientific notation, or use E. Okay, use E. Then just write, what do you call this? Just let's say your exponent for 10 is a positive. Let's try to make it a positive 5. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's not. It will not work. It will not work. It has an error. Oh, it still has an error. Okay, let's try to run it. What's the error? I have errors. Check for missing multiplic. Oh, sorry. It's not 4x10. It's 4 times 10. Okay, CLC. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is about 400,000. Let's try to put some positive to 5. Okay, F5. It is still 40,000. Then if you want a negative exponent for your scientific notation, so just make it negative. E raised to negative 5. Uh, MATLAB knows that E means scientific notation. Okay, MATLAB knows that it is a scientific notation. You can make E as a variable, but E is not a common variable. Okay, E is not a common variable. So use just use E for creating scientific notations. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so we have here. Okay, it's already in scientific notation. Okay, so let's also include pi. Okay, so MATLAB recognize pi or pi as pi. Okay, so CLC. Okay, so this is small letter P and I, not capital letters P and I. So don't make it capital letters. Okay. So if I run this, wait, I will put semicolons here, then F5. Okay, we will have the value of pi, 3.1416. If you want the longer format for pi, just use format long. Okay? Because pi is infinite. At least if you just want to have a long pi. Okay, so F5. Okay. Prettified variables or values will still appear here. Okay. Let's try to, let's see here, wait a minute, if I can do something else. Okay, example, I want to represent an expression in terms of pi. Okay, example do I have a variable x? Okay, I don't have a variable x. X is equals to let's say 2 times pi divided by 16. Okay. MATLAB will solve this first. MATLAB will solve first the division or division operation. So, do not make it like that. Let's combine, let's enclose 2 times pi. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, let's make this colon. Let's put semicolon. Then F5. Okay, we have here an answer of x, which is decimal. Okay, let's try to prettify x. Let's try to prettify x. Let's see what will happen if we prettify x. Okay, F5. Okay, it will not prettify x. Prettify x. Let's try to make okay, let's make a fraction. Okay, F5. Oh, sorry. F5. Okay. Oh, it's okay. The expression now is a symbol. Symbolic math. Okay. The expression or the answer is solved in terms of pi. Okay, as you can see, 2 pi over 16 and 2 and 16 you can still factor them. Okay, so the answer is pi over 8. Let's try 9. Okay. 9 times pi over 16. Then F5. Okay, so the answer is 9 pi over 16. Now let's prettify it. Prettify. Pretty x. Okay. F5. Oh, it doesn't want to prettify x. Okay, let's... Oh, I know. Let's make a pretty answer a comment first. Let's see what will happen. I think the problem is the answer comment. Oh yes, the problem is the answer comment because the answer there because there's a variable answer hit and it's already have a pretty syntax, but this is for this operation. Okay, for the end truth. So to solve this, let's use a y variable. Then y again. Okay, so we will have I know. Let's override x, sorry. Let's override x. CLC. Let's override x. Now let's clear all to be safe. Okay, F5. Oh, it's still error. I can't prettify x. Why? Let's try y. Z. Let's see if this is because of the value. CLC. Okay. Clear all. Okay, F5. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's why I can't prettify. Why I can't prettify this? It should be prettified. Hmm. Let's try X. Let's try X. Error uses too many output arguments. Too many output. Oh, I forgot. But I removed. Hmm. Let's see. Let's try again. CLC F5. Oh, I can't prettify 9 times pi over 6. Let's see. Let's make this first prettified answer a comment. Then let's make this y. Okay. CLC clear all. CLC F5. Oh, it pretty is not really right. Let's try to remove pretty. Okay, F5. Okay, pretty is now good. Okay, pretty doesn't want a variable. Okay, that's the problem. Pretty doesn't want a variable, that's why. Okay, now the 9 pi over 16 is already pretty. Okay. I will now include also factorial here because factorial is easy. Factorial. Okay. Factorial. Factorial is very easy and factorial is not common. A common problem. Factorial. Okay. Factorial is just syntax factorial. Okay. Very easy. Okay. So remember this. Don't put variable for pretty. Okay. So F5. And the answer is 120. Okay.